Hi, welcome to Curious Vitamin. Today I'm going to show you a trick. Actually, this is a repair method using which you can repair your Zenfone 2. If you have a Zenfone 2 and you have lost the network signal on SIM 1, and probably you have lost the IMEI of your phone. So let's check it first. That is there any IMEI? There may be only one IMEI in your phone. So the IMEI of SIM 1 is lost. In this video, I'm going to show you a demo video of repair. The tools I'm going to use is Phone Tool by Intel. As you know, all Zenfone, mainly Zenfone 2, comes with Intel chipset. So we need to use tool of Intel. So in this video, I will just show you the basics of repair. This is not actual repair. I'm working on the video for real video where you will get the files. This is just a demo. So please like and subscribe us for the updated video. So we put files there with the video. Thank you. Let's begin. First, I go to start all the programs. Here let's find Intel. Here Intel Phone Tool. There is Phone Tool. So this is the tool we will use to repair our Zenfone IMEI. So this is the interface. Here you can see it. This is the place. Here you will see the information about the phone. When the mobile is connected, you will also see that here the COM port is not connected, session is not open. So when we will connect the mobile, it will be changed. So for connection, we have to go setting, Phone Tool, and here you will find COM port. Here the COM port will appear when we will connect the phone after doing some tweaks. So this is the main interface of the software. So before going in details, let's see. Here you can see File, View, Mood, Track, Setting, Help. We have to go to Mood. From the menu, here you can see many softwares and tools to do tweaks with the phone, but all they are not working. We will just select only Security. In Security, you will find Read Status. When we click on Read Status, if our phone is connected properly, we will see IMEIs here. Like this. We will see IMEI 1 here and IMEI 2 here after pressing this Read Status. So while we will press this status, this will appear here. This IMEI will appear here. So let's go advanced menu from here. So now this is the advanced menu, from where we can edit our IMEI. So here let's see, that is IMEI 1 here. You can see IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 will appear. After this, for changing the IMEI which will appear when we will do the trick or when we will do the repair, we will have to select personalization programming. So after selecting this, we will see that there is the option add. Okay, when we will add IMEI, our IMEI will appear here. You see the IMEI are appearing here. So this IMEI appeared here, you see, will be loaded on here. Sorry, will be loaded on here and here. But before doing this, we have to execute it by selecting execute. Okay, when we will execute, our phone will be flashed with the IMEI we have edited here. So by this way, we will use only our legal IMEI what comes with our mobile phone, because it's totally illegal to do this. So this is my only educational purpose for doing this. You can do it only in your own risk. I am not anything of us. We are responsible for this, any damage to your phone or any issue with law. Thank you for staying with us. Please subscribe and like us for the updated video, so that can help you to repair your phone and help me to grow my channel. Thank you.